Hi, I am Charles. This video will talk about create pivot chart. Let's get started. First, click on the pivot table. Then click on the Insert tab. Next, click on the arrow under the pivot chart. A drop-down menu will appear. Click on Pivot Chart. The Insert Chart pop-up window will appear. Click to select the chart type. And then click to select the chart style, and chart sub-style. Then click OK. And now the pivot chart is inserted into the worksheet. Well, that's it. I hope you enjoy this video and have learned something today. Thanks for watching.